guys, we just arrived to the brand new place here in Uluwatu in Melasti. It's another kind of beach club, like a club, you know, cool place.
Okay guys, so we just arrived in the White Rock Beach Clubs in Melasti beach area. This beach club is actually just opened a few weeks ago, and you see behind me, it's still free entry until I think 14th of October, yeah?
Yeah, 14th of October.
Yeah, so we will, show you how is the brand new beach clubs around, because Melasti area, especially on this beach, I think that there are some beach clubs. Okay, behind me a beautiful white sand beach, Melasti beach, which is nowadays becoming so popular because of beach clubs. And you see the sand there, look at the color of the water, bluish, so clear and nice.
So we are going out to the beach because there is loud music, of course, like in any other beach clubs. Pretty cool first impressions, right? What do you think? Also, the prices seems very affordable. We're gonna show you on the screen right now the menu. Maybe you will be interested to come over. We bought like a mocktail, 65,000 per drink, and some nachos. Very affordable for the beach clubs, I'm gonna tell you guys. Overall, you have a beautiful beach behind us everywhere around there. Actually, currently, how many beach clubs are here? Like 5, right?
1, 2, 3, Minu, Catamaran, Palmilla, White Rock, Karma Kandara, and then Sundays Beach Club. So it means 6 beach club on Pantai Melasti. So I don't know what I can say. Melasti Beach is now famous with the beach clubs, and also the white sand beach and blue clean water.
And blue clean water. Also, during the pandemic times, I used to vlog here very often, and we follow the full construction progress of this place and many others. So this is open right now. Many of you actually guys are interested about the new places, new things in Bali, so this is one of them. And up to 14th of October is free entry, so there is currently no entrance fee. I don't know how it's gonna be later. This guy just say hi to us.
Hey, good luck monkeys, he said like that. Thank you for watching us for, I think that he said for more than 2 years, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, one thing I would like to show you, that's over there is the Minu Beach Club, and then Catamaran Beach Club, and then that's the Palmilla, and behind us the White Rock Beach Club. And you see over there the small warungs owned by the locals.
Small warungs actually. Some people enjoying their time, and there is the Karma, and there will be Sundays
Beach Club.
And then actually I think it will be another one in the future.
Emptied out my soul, you've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So look at the color of the sand, so white, soft, and look at this one, the water so clean. It's actually in Melasti Beach. So if you asking us guys what is the best beach that we recommend you to visit, so this one, Melasti Beach Club, easy access and a big car parking, big parking space. And yeah, for those of you, for the information, if you come here to the beach, Melasti Beach, so the entrance fee is only 10K for adult per person, and also you need to pay 2K for the motorbike parking and 5K for the car parking. You see, I think that mostly the people are here just enjoying their time with their friends, with their beloved one, with their family. You see that people are happy enjoying their time. And Over there, brand new beach club. So basically, this is how is the trend in Bali nowadays. You know, whenever you go to Uluwatu, go to Canggu, Seminyak, and Ubud, all about the club, you know, even like, you know, a restaurant with the big loud music. And I think that many people are enjoying that tourism trend in Bali. So this is how actually the trend in Bali nowadays, wherever you go, Uluwatu, you know, Canggu, Seminyak, and also even in Ubud, you know, you can find the club, restaurant with the big loud music. Even like last time when we were in the waterfall, there is a jungle club there. So yeah, seems like tourists come here to Bali, besides they are enjoying, you know, the beautiful panorama like beach or rice paddies. Seems like the club, restaurant with the big loud music is a kind of the tourist attraction. You see, like people enjoying their time, so nice. And what I can say, the type of tourists who are mostly coming to the Uluwatu is, you know, young tourists and also the family. So yeah, this is what I explained to you guys. Now Bali seems like the island of beach club. Wherever you go, you will find a beach club. You see just next to each other, this one is Palmilla Beach Club, and next to it is the White Rock Beach Club, and then over there will be Karmakandara Beach Club and also Sundays Beach Club. And here is the small warung with the stalls, the local own.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé. Por de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Ser inspo para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades, pero sincero.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Melasti Beach. I think it has been long time we didn't go here, so we just show you how is the development nowadays. You see, many beach clubs are here. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.